scissors, shoot. Two, Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I give him some up, and then I take the universe energy, and I slap him like.
At least
It was a combo.
Exactly. Yeah, you get to two before him, right?
Yeah.
What is that? She didn't forget.
You forget.
I see that coming.
You saw it?
That's it.
You look at that. Naughty.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, night, night. Say good morning, Faves. Say morning.
Morning. Sorry.
Oh, you're funny. You guys, my kids and I, we're on a mission today, okay? We're on a mission to not let Papa find out what's going on. I hope he doesn't have any idea, and if that's the case, then we are on track. So I'm planning a surprise birthday, a little get together for Babe. Tomorrow is Babe's birthday. Today my mission is to go and find cake. My mission is to go and find gifts. My mission is to go and get the rest of the decor that I didn't order via Amazon, okay? Because I ordered some of the decor via Amazon and they came yesterday. So that was good. I ordered it with Express so it could come on time. So I got that. So I am on track with my little planning. I invite over a few friends, and I told Babe that tomorrow I have a reservation for us to go out and eat somewhere. So he's to come home by 6 p.m. and come and pick us up. Pity doesn't know that when he reach home, the surprise will be there waiting for him. Hopefully everybody that I invite will reach on time and don't be late and don't ruin this for me. So tomorrow though, when everything is going down, I'll be sure to capture as much as I can. But today is mission party planning. So wish me luck, and I'll take you guys around to see where I'll be going in town to get some stuff. He finally told me what he wants for his birthday 2 days before his birthday. Can you imagine? So I'm rushing to go and catch it today. So have a good day. Come along with me on the road. Enjoy today's vlog. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Subscribe if it's your first time, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today in these streets. So c'est dans la même forme?
Oui.
Ok. Ok.
Pour découper, il faut faire une fois en deux.
Non, ça c'est parfait. C'est joli comme ça. You like this one for Papa? Look at this one. I think
Quel
this
est
one
votre nom, madame?
Melissa.
Un numéro de téléphone?
07. Oui, pour demain matin.
Demain matin.
Ouais.
À partir de quelle heure?
Maintenant, comme 10h, 10h30.
Allez, je mets 10 heures. C'est noté. Est-ce que vous voulez régler aujourd'hui ou demain?
Aujourd'hui.
Oui.
Aujourd'hui, ouais.
Allez.
Come, I'm gonna pay. Look at these. Oh my God, they are so pretty. Okay, I pay. Mama soon come. Take up this one for her, please. Merci. You want a little cake? Yes. Tell you want cake?
Voilà, c'est noté pour demain. Merci beaucoup.
Merci. You want to take one? Ça c'est pour... Oh, okay. They're sure? Tu veux goûter? Ah, look. The one you like.
No, I don't want to.
Or we... Wait. Tomorrow, when we come back, tomorrow, we take some of the small ones. How about that? Okay? No, demain. Which one?
Sarah wants the purple one. And I want the
Oh
strawberry.
my gosh. Okay. You want the strawberry one? Which one? This one right here? Which one you want, Sarah?
The purple one.
You want the purple one? Wait. Il y a le framboise aussi, Tyler. Viens. Look. Un citron. Tu aimes ça? You want this one? You want which one?
This one. Mama, that's cute.
Okay, shh. Okay, or you want me to buy one of these? Look up. C'est possible pour choisir le macaron? Oui. Un citron et le violet. Un violet. Et les framboises.
C'est pour manger tout de suite?
Ouais. You happy? In here is so beautiful. Oh my god, you guys. So I'm at this pastry shop that is called Cant Patisserie Chocolat Nice, and they have every little thing in here, and it's so pretty. And they have every little... Non, toi, les deux là-bas. Ouais. Wow, look at that. C'est macaron. Ça va. Combien? 4,80. 4,80. Attendez. Sarah, doucement. Eh. Yummy. Yummy? Yes. Okay, I'll put the purple one right here. Okay. All right, on to the next stop. Okay guys, mission accomplished with babe cake. Ordered babe cake and have to pick it up tomorrow morning, but my friend Daniel will pick it up for me because it's just beside where Daniel lives. So Dan's will pick it up for me and bring it home, so I won't have to come down tomorrow. Now I'm heading to pick up his gifts. I need to go to an electronics store, and then I need to go to a sports store, and it's vacation time here in France, so there's so much people out in the streets, but we're doing what we gotta do. Let's get out of the sun though, shall we? We're in town right now, heading to the electronics store first, and then we go to the sports store. Okay, I'm trying to find a headphone for babe, one that uses Bluetooth. Oopsies.
There's someone that uses Bluetooth.
Oh la la, Sarah. Okay. So you guys finish. See what I hear under there. You see apple under the bottom. Finish gift one request and heading to gift two place, and then I'll buy him something that he didn't request to top that off. But everything is going good so far. We're in this street, it's very hot, kids are having water, staying hydrated, but we're getting stuff done. Bye.
Wagwan, my youth.
That's so like a hungry wagwan, my youth. You guys, mission accomplished. Buy all of babe gifts that I wanted to buy, and I bought a big box. I couldn't even film when I was in the store because I was trying to make a decision. Bought a big box for him, and my friend Daniel is going to go pick it up for me and bring it to the house, so that way I can wrap it and stuff before babe get there tomorrow. So I got everything that I wanted, and the only thing left for me to do is I want to go to see if I can go to the meat shop to buy some chicken, so that way I can season those from tonight, so that way marinate really good for tomorrow. for the big day. So we stop on McDonald's and we're gonna eat lunch, and then we're going to head back on the road. So timing is good. It's 1 o'clock and I still have to go to the supermarket later, but don't worry, we're on time. Everything is going as according to plan, so that's good. Time. Okay, the last stop of the day. Decor. I have decor, but I need a few little extra things. So here we go. In here. You guys, I am still alive. I am to my neck tired. Like tired. Oh. But my road mission is accomplished. And I'm back home. I'm so tired. My feet, they're numb. I just park the stroller, take Sarah out, put them down to watch TV and stretching out in the bed. But since I'm laying down here for about 15 minutes, my feet is coming back to life. I need to get up, hide all the gifts that I bought so that I can wrap them tomorrow morning. And use the time that I have left right now to go and season the chicken that I bought and stash those off, because baby never search anywhere. I need to go hide the happy birthday balloon that I bought in the balloon store, because that one have helium, so it have to stay floating, so I have to hide it around the back. Woo! Or I'm gonna hide it on the Tyler bed. This is too funny. But anyway, everything is all set. Got all his gifts and I'm so happy about that. And yeah, so now I am going to season the chicken and head to the supermarket, so you guys will see the supermarket haul. So brace yourself. Today's vlog is a long and interesting one, so wish me luck. I still have a long day to go and it's 4 p.m. and I have to head to the supermarket soon, so I'll catch you guys later. So I'm seasoning up now and then I'm gonna head out again to the supermarket. Just say it before I turn it on. And Sarah did not forget. Okay. Stop. It's time for me. Stop. The original crew is back. The famous four is back. Come, baby. Yes, no extraness. We have limited time to get this done. We're working on time. We're working on the clock. Ready? Let's go. You want candy? You want candy?
Candy.
You have to find the candy. Hey. Oh, that's your bag. Okay, let's go.
You know where's the candy?
Chips. Bacon.
Red. And most of these things are Tyler party things, so you guys will see a lot of chips and candy and
Happy biscuits.
I mean veggies bag.
in the veggie bag. Probably the only veggie that I pick up, because I have veggie that I buy.
Celebration chocolate.
Yes.
Popcorn.
Something with us in some days. She like
Candy.
When Papa talk in your paws.
the raspberry, blackberry. Fancy. She done fancy.
Fancy.
Done
Sausages.
Candy.
Juice.
She soon gonna tell me that she want to eat beer.
You guys, listen to this. Sarah, what is this?
Candy. Raspberry.
Oh, you find the candy.
Can I have one too?
You have one
each.
too.
One.
No, honey, I deserve
I
no.
have a rocket. I tell you the veggie. She tell you no. Avocado. Bio avocado. What I tell you what she tell me now? This woman, she can fancy and bio. What else you gonna turn?
Pink.
You soon turn vegan too?
Yes.
Mama, I want one like this.
Okay,
Well,
you
we have
take
this in the
one.
bag.
Half
Because it was in the car.
This one.
Okay, no mom, you're not gonna get the candy bowl.
We have nuggets.
She's taking the candy bowl. You want to?
Hey, long time I can get candy is good. It won't do until Tyler.
It won't last till Tyler's birthday. Come, let's go, Ty. Let's go. I buy some rolls.
Bananas, lemon.
Wipes.
Lemon is from medicine here.
Sarah, what's this?
M&M.
Good job. Sit back. Go up.
Some mushrooms. The mushroom too.
This for you.
Okay, chef, something.
Or for me, anyone? Veggie.
Doritos.
Good job. Kebab stick.
Kebab stick.
Finish.
So, Kylie, you finish already? What's another bag?
Another pack of lemon.
What is this, Sarah?
Chocolate.
Pecan, I call it pecan.
Pecan is pecan.
Pecan.
Juice for the kids. Oh, liver. What is this?
Liver.
Sarah, yes, honey. Touching, seam fly.
I didn't want you to slap your
I
hand.
know. What box?
If it was her head, I will have slapped it hard. Yeah, I will have slapped your hand. Tyler too. Tyler too.
So, Sarah, on your fear.
Yeah.
No
Got
water.
chicken, everything to do a nice barbecue. You want no sausage?
Sausage is here.
Oh, okay.
Cashew.
Juice.
Water. Air freshener for the toilet. Air fresh.
Hungry.
You hungry? Come, give Sarah some juice, please.
Juice from this?
No, from the fridge. See your yellow cup over there. Mushwa.
White wine.
Put it all the way over where the stove is. Sarah, what is this?
But what kind of juice we have here?
I don't know.
We have none.
Okay.
Birthday.
Yeah, for birthday. Papa birthday coming
I'll
up.
give you one.
Comfort.
Comfort.
Big pack.
More juice.
Go back to our French brand.
And that apple
And
sauce.
I'm gonna tell you about my bio egg. But I buy the other egg to
What is
make
bio egg? It's the chicken that
eat grass and and farm outdoor and don't eat SHIT. Watch Tyler try to figure out the words. Don't say it out loud, Ty.
we have a lot of drink here for Tyler party.
Yeah, a lot of drink. We will show you all those drinks. So it's like coca, shrimps, and
Oh, we have some good
those
stuff
kind
here.
of things.
Salmon, 1, 2, 3 pack of salmon. She's that fancy. Now she.
I always
3 pack
buy
of
salmon. Always buy 3 pack of salmon.
I'm sure I'm gonna find some ice cream somewhere. Oh, here it is, ice cream.
Birthday's coming up. You have to have ice
Caramel
cream.
ice cream, strawberry
Yeah.
ice cream.
Yeah, and yogurt for the breakfast. The yogurt king. Can't do without him yogurt. And we have cheese.
Cheese.
Tell them to turn fancy, babe. I'm
She
eating
turned
French cheese.
fancy.
And sausage, I decided I want to try this one for breakfast. And yogurt for Sarah, yogurt for Tyler, and duplicate of some of the things that I already showed you. Alright, so that's that. Super Magic Haul was quick and snappy today. And now time for rock, paper, scissors with the boss and the boy. Come! You want sausage? Okay, Mama gonna cut it for you. Come, let's go! Huh? It's the rematch! Come, let's go! Honey, stop your foolery. Rock, paper. Rock, paper. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I give him some hug, and then I take the universe energy, and I slap him like.
At least
It was a combo.
Exactly. Yeah, you get to 2 before, right?
So yeah.
She didn't forget.
You forget.
I see that coming.
You saw it?
That's it.
You look at that. Naughty. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Oh my god. Anyway, you guys, that's it for today's vlog. I'm ending it right now. Hold on. When was the last time you win? Boy.
About 2 months ago.
It's been a while.
Not since like about June, not in August, not in July. So I am almost 2 months undefeated.
Okay, so we are ending today's vlog here because I have to pack out these things and I don't want to go to bed without not ending the vlog. So thank you guys for watching. You don't want to miss tomorrow's vlog. It's gonna be a special day for somebody. Boy, I get all at 35 tomorrow. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll know we see you guys do.
And let me enjoy my party.
Yes, I have party in the oven. Anyway, you guys, see you guys later. Sarah, say bye bye. Sarah, Tay, say bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye, my youth.